Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, you well, all happy and keep you homes inhabited. May you continue to enjoy videos like this. So friends, today we'll share with you the very beautiful stylish crochet shirt designs. Before starting the video, I request a few of you subscribe my channel and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in all the designs that I am sharing with you. Today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful, keep for guys. So I keep similar designs with my dear friend daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how can you like our videos. Is you want to watch any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos, show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. This is very popular in the country and girls such clothes too. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video has a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss of the any video on my channel. Friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Go, inshallah. We will meet again next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, take care, will remember in prayer, and bye.